Okay, so we've got the Warrington and Bailey here. I've turned on gravity just to fly around the scene. I've turned up the speed. So there's a few performance issues here with the culling and stuff. I think we need to reduce the quality of something. But I've turned the speed up so I can fly around the scene a little bit quicker. So just so I can see around here. It's looking pretty good though. Alex has been busy on this. This was actually, I believe, a dry ditch, so we probably need to get rid of the water here, I think, because it wasn't actually filled with water. And then what we'll do later on is add some historical artifacts to the scene where Kendrick found some stuff, the penny, the chess piece perhaps, and the pottery. This is looking really good. Definitely coming along nicely. We could potentially interact with something here. I don't know what we do yet. Lighting we need to sort out as well. Obviously we've got that harsh lighting. We could even pretend to be Saxons underneath underneath here before the Normans came, etc., etc. But yeah, it's pretty good. I'm just gonna fly up and away a second. Just obviously wouldn't do this necessarily in the VR. Again, the water. Oh, we don't necessarily need the water here, I don't think. Look at my little shadow there. That's pretty cool. The keep. I've not tested the walking parameters across this because I've got flying mode enabled. But if I go down underneath this and go through, so I've got the keep. I have seen some historical records to show that this white walling was done to make it look like stone. So Alex is seemingly on the money there. A bit better performance now because we're not rendering the entire Mott and Bailey. So yeah, I think this is really good, and I think we can definitely layer this up. Got a bit of stuck there. Definitely layer this up. Go and fly away again a second. Got little houses in the background. So yeah, this is Warrington Castle, and this is what we think it looked like from the reports. So we got the traditional Mott and Bailey structure. So the Mott being the hill or the mound that you've built out because you've taken the earth from a ditch. So you dig out a ditch. This then becomes your defensive structure, your primary focus. Then the wooden fencing called a palisade is on the outside, and then you've got your bailey, your living quarters over here, which would be your stables, your blacksmiths, anything that would support the little mini kingdom here, but also it would act as a defensive structure as well, because when you're trying to attack a structure like this and you've got to climb over these walls, obviously that becomes very difficult to defend, and it's much deeper here as well. Obviously we'll get rid of that water because you've got to climb up this to attack your Norman overlords. That can be very difficult if you've got a wooden palisade or a wooden fence. This would be closed as well. I think, I'm not 100% sure, this might be the postern gate to the structure. But yeah, great work so far. This is looking really interesting.